Hello guys, today we're going to learn about Elif in Python. For example, age equals input. Please enter your age, and also age equals integer age so our code won't crash. Then if age is greater than 18, then it will print you are eligible to vote. Then Elif, age equals 18, you are eligible to vote, but you need to register first. Else, print you are not eligible to vote yet. So what Elif is it's basically an in-between of if and else. It's actually else if, but Python can't handle two words as a single command. So as you can see when we run it, please enter your age. So we write, so let's just say 4 years old, and to print you're not eligible to vote yet. But if our age is 18, you are eligible to vote, but you need to register first. And finally, please enter your age, and like 69 years old, you are eligible to vote. Bye.